babalik ba ang kahapon?
We were strangers, starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road, now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end, I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. What is life to offer me when I grow? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult. Yes, they're your typical. What's there beyond sleeping bird in this cruel life? Ain't there nothing else around here but human strife? Guess they say it's difficult. Yes, they're your typical. Gotta be conventional. You can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line.
Life comes in many shapes. You think you know what you got until it changes. And life will take you high and low. You gotta learn how to walk and then which way to go. Every choice you make when you're lost, every step you take has its cause. After you clear your eyes, you see the light somewhere in the darkness. After the rain has gone, you feel the sun comes. And though it seems you're so different, someday it's gonna make sense.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa ay unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap magtulak. Natatandaan mo pa ba inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay kong gumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita, sa paglipas ng panahon. Bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Ngayong ikaw ay nagbalik, tulad ko rin ang iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba?